In this video, I'm going to explain how to complete assignment 1.2, where we're asked to create a Python program that reads the length of the base and the height of a right-angled triangle and outputs the area or prints the area. So every number is given on a separate line. So you can see at the bottom of our diagram there, our formula for calculating the area of a triangle given the base and the height. So the first thing we need to do, according to our instructions, is read the length of the base and the height of the triangle. So when we say we need to read something, that tells me we need to get something from the user. So we're reading in information from the user. So like we did previously, let's create a variable, and an appropriate variable name for the base in this case would be base. And we're going to set that to the value of what the user enters. So again, we need to use input. Now if I run this, it's not going to work, but what it's going to do is allow me to enter input. It's not doing anything yet though, because we haven't told it to. We also, like we did previously, want to convert what the user enters into an integer or a whole number, which is good practice. We need another variable to read in the height, so an appropriate variable name would be height, obviously, and again we're getting that from what the user enters. So what we have here is a program that asks the user to enter the base and height of our triangle. The final thing we have to do there is print the area. We could do this a number of ways, but the quickest would probably be to simply write print or output and output, what's our formula? Half of base times height. So we could do base times our height and then divide that by 2. And if we run that, we should see that it correctly calculates the area of our triangle based on what the user inputs. So if I submit that, hopefully we'll pass all our tests.